All right, oil change on the 2.0 liter Jeep Wrangler. 5 quarts, 5W30. Got the Ultra Platinum full synthetic oil filter. Ordered that off of Rock Auto. Got 5 of them for the next however many thousands of miles. So here we go, got started. We got the 13 millimeter socket for the drain plug, oil filter wrench, drain pan on ramp so it's easier for me. Let's get started. Here's the underneath. There's the 13 millimeter drain plug. Go ahead, crack that loose. Here's your oil filter. See if I can kill some grass. Oh, damn it. Ugh. All right, come back when that's done. Okay, while it's draining out, go ahead and loosen up the oil filter. I would recommend these pliers, even for other vehicles that you may own. Got them at Harbor Freight. They're a real treat, cheap. That's loose. Make sure your drain pan's lined up. That's a mess. That's a fucking mess. Some long threads on that boy. Oh, that's a fucking night. Good. Oh, I hate this. Okay, that's dripping out. You know, it's good enough for me. Good enough for my likings. Go ahead, put your drain plug back in. I like to do a little wipey right there. Do that. That's hand snug up there like that. I like to go something like that. A little more torque. Go ahead, wipe this off for the new oil filter. Okay. Go ahead, pre-fill your oil filter. I like to do that. Rub the seal with some fresh oil so it doesn't stick to the mating surface. Go ahead. Be as neat with this as you can. Like I said, it's pre-filled. There you go. Get started. I'm gonna wipe it off as I turn. And when it gets snug on you, I just go as hand tight as I can get it. Doesn't have to be torqued down to like 800 foot-pounds or anything. That's me using all my grip, brother. Okay, we'll go ahead. I like to wipe that down, clean it up, double check your drain plug, and then we'll go ahead and fill her up from the top. All right, oil, take out your oil cap. It's in the middle. If you have concerns, it says the 5W30 on the cap. I like to take my funnel here, Get it lined up like so. And then it calls for 5 quarts. Calls for 5 quarts of oil with the filter. So go ahead, start pouring. I'll pour a majority of the 5 quarts in, and then I'm gonna check the dipstick, see what it's reading when it's like at, you know, past 4.5 quarts. That's my game plan anyway. And then I'll back it up and put it on level ground as well when I read the dipstick. Basically got almost all the 5 quarts in it. Do a little dipstick check. Could be a little higher. Actually, it looks like it's, yeah, it's within the hash marks. Got liquid up to there. I'm gonna get it off the ramps, get it started, and then check it one more time. Well, there you go. That's the basics on the 2.0 liter turbo engine on the Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you on the next one. Peace out.